In this video, we show you how to enter or edit your items in the Excel file. In the Excel template you have already downloaded, you will see your items with all relevant attributes in the Catalog Items Simplified worksheet. You can now enter new items by either adding a new item on the next line or by customizing existing items. To do this, go through attribute by attribute and adjust the values accordingly. Make sure to remove links from the previous item, such as GTIN of the item unit, links to external files, for example. Images or links to the packaging hierarchy is linked at the level of the packaging unit with the attributes quantity of children, total quantity of next lower leave, quantity of next lower level, GTIN of the next lower item unit, to remove or adjust. If the code value changes in an attribute, correct spelling is mandatory, otherwise an error message will appear when uploading. The technical code values can be found in the Profile Overview documentation in the respective code list tabs. It is also important that the formats of the downloaded article are identical in each attribute for newly entered articles. You can change the format from a valid entry to a new cell using the brush, for example. You can recognize repeatable attributes by the numbers in the square brackets. To add additional information for repeatable attributes or groups, you must copy the relevant attributes columns and paste them directly after the new entry, and importantly, increase the number in the square brackets by 1. Switch to the first worksheet called Access Control. The publications for the recorded articles can be edited here. Alternatively, you can also carry out the publication in a later step and at a later point in time. In this case, you can delete the first datasheet in the Excel file, especially if you still want to make manual adjustments to the articles or attach documents. If you want to publish the articles directly, complete the first datasheet as follows. Publication does not have to be for the entire hierarchy, but only at the highest packaging level in each case. So if a base article has an outer packaging and a pallet, publication takes place at the pallet level. You can copy and paste the required information from the Catalog Items Simplified worksheet. The GTIN, Target Market Country Code, Information Provider GLN, Trade Item Unit Descriptor Code, and the corresponding publication target must be filled in. To publish to multiple recipient GLNs, copy the existing publication column, publish to GLN, paste it next to it again, and adjust the number in the square brackets and the value of the GLN. Once you have filled in all the data, save the file with a desired name on your computer. If you want to know how to upload your item master data, watch our next video. Thank you for your attention.